This video will show you how to get started with your application for ethics review. There are several reasons for an ethical review of your proposed research. First, it is to put in place protection for you and the participants in your research, both of whom are a valuable part of the research process. Second, by obtaining ethical approval, you are demonstrating that you recognise and pledge to adhere to accepted ethical standards as they apply to your research study. Finally, ethics review helps the university know what research is being conducted by its staff and students. Whilst filling in this ethics application form, you need to be able to explain how you are ensuring the quality and integrity of your research, seeking informed consent, showing respect for the confidentiality and anonymity of your research respondents and third parties who might not be participants but who are referenced or made visible in your research, ensuring that your participants take part in your study voluntarily and know their rights to leave the research or withdraw consent at any time, doing your utmost to avoid harm to your participants and any third parties, and demonstrating that your research is independent and impartial. You must answer all the questions, and your answers should be concise whilst containing the required detail. Provide all necessary details in plain language. Do not assume that the committee has prior understanding of your area and the nuances of conducting research in that area. Make sure you explain any technical terms in lay language. You might find it useful to consult the university's Research Code of Conduct and the Ethics Code of Practice when preparing your ethics application. You can also find more information on the university's ethics website. To run the ethics approval system, open a web browser and go to https://ethicsapp.le.ac.uk. Log in with your University IT account username and password. You will see a list of your previous applications and their status. To start a new application, click the Create New Application button. You need to complete all the sections of the application form by clicking on the tabs across the top. The Summary tab shows you how much of your application has been completed. You can fill in part of the form, then come back to it later by clicking on the project title on the home page. You can click on the information buttons to find out more about what you should enter. For more information about obtaining ethical approval for a research project, please see the ethics website at www.le.ac.uk/ethics. If you have any questions about the system, please email ethics@le.ac.uk.